here, Pisces. So, hindi natin kukunin po yung mga nahuhulog. No? So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Pisces. For Pisces, please. So, 1, 2. So, you have this, no, intervention, no, rescue others involved. So, yan, no, parang may sudden happened, no, something like that, no. So, may bigla ang pangyayari, no, something like that. So, what else? So, sold, no. So, yan, no, meron dito for some of you, no, may bigla ang pangyayari or may mangyayari, no, something like that, no. With the moving dito, no, maybe for some of you may hiwalayang mangyayari, no. And then ang may legal matter, no, kumbaga ay may property dito, no. Siguro ay yan, no, kasi with the property may ibebentang property, no, kasi nga love relationship. So maybe hiwalay na kayo ng person mo, no, that's why kaya meron ditong intervention, no, may nangyari, no. And then kumbaga maraming na involved, no, sa inyong relasyon before, no, or yan nangyayari, no, sa inyong relasyon, maraming taong involved, no. And then kasi kung marami bang nangingialam, no, kumbaga ay yan, no, parang one-sided to, no, kumbaga kakampi halos lahat dun sa isa, no, parang ganun, no. At kailangan ng isang person naman dito ay ng rescue, no, kasi parang feeling niya mag-isa lang siya, no. But then siguro for some of you natapos na ito, that's why yun nga, no, merong moving on, no. So pwedeng sabihin rin natin, no, nagkahiwalay na at may lumayo na, may lalayo na with this, no, or literally, no, meron kayong mga ari-arian na paghahatian ng person na ito. Maybe ay kasal kayo ng tao na ito, no, at may mga properties kayo together, no, for some of you, no, mga Pisces natin, right? No, so kuha pa tayo ng additional message, no, for you, Pisces, sa iyong love relationship. Tignan natin. 2 cards. So, let's see. So, you have this, no, Pisces, no? Ikaw to, no, Pisces, no? Or maybe, kadil mo din is Pisces, no? So, let's see.